So to start your personal drawing and painting one portfolio, you need to follow the following directions on your iPad. 1, you need to sign in to google.com on the internet through your Safari. Okay. Once you've signed in, you've approved or verified it yourself, you're then going to do one of two things. If you click on the waffle menu and you see the sites option, 3 down or so, click on that. If you can't see sites or it won't let you open it, go to your Gmail and click the waffle menu inside here to get to sites. All right, now, there are some folks in the class that are Honors Drawing and Painting 1 students. That means that across here where it says Start a New Site, there are, up in this gallery, there is one that says Honors Drawing and Painting, okay? Another one that says Drawing and Painting 1. So depending on which one you are, you're going to click on that specific file or template. I'm going to start with the just Drawing and Painting 1, okay? Step 1, before you do anything else, is to come up to this top left corner, and I need you to type in your name, because this part right here gives you the name for your site so it can process it when you publish. So your name goes here first. Okay. The second place your name goes is where it says name '(S). So if it was me, I would be like Jennifer's Drawing and Painting 1 portfolio. For you, it might be John's Drawing and Painting 1 portfolio. Okay. So you're just going to put in your first name with the '(S). Okay. Down through this area, as you see on a lot of blog sites, has basic information. So fill it in. Like my name is, take off the 3 little dots and begin to type what your name is. My name is blah, 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 okay? I attend St. Xavier High School and I am in the blank. Tell us what grade you are, freshman, sophomore, junior, senior, okay? So that takes care of that section. We're gonna do this section last. It's sort of a reflection zone. So that'll be the last thing that we actually enter, our everything below this point. So this is our home page. If you go to Pages in the tab to the right, okay, you'll see there is a page for sketchbook practice, things that we've done in our sketchbook, and there's a place for our actual artwork projects. Let's click on the sketchbook practice first. Okay, so in here you'll notice that there are different places for you to upload some things, and they're going to be added over time. This is what I have up so far, but know that things will kind of begin to edit and you'll have more things to add as the semester goes on. But we're at the end of our first quarter, and so we're going to start to put in some things that we do have. As far as sketchbook line mark samples, those were all the things that we started the semester with. They were things like the repetitious lines over and over again, or maybe they were the concentric circles. Maybe you liked that one. Maybe you liked the watercolor with the pen lines over the top of it. So you're going to put up one specific picture for that whole section. Maybe there's one of them that you really liked over the others. This is where you're going to go tap on upload, and you're going to say from the drive, because at this point we've already put a lot of our pictures up in the Google Drive. All right. If you need to get something into Google Drive, then you can stop at this point, go find your photo in your camera roll, and send it to your Google Drive so that you've got it. We've just discovered that bringing things in from the camera roll into this actual site doesn't work as friendly or as helpful for a lot of folks as bringing a picture in from Google Drive, okay? So I could click in from Google Drive, and then it'll start to ask you questions like, well, where in Google Drive is it going to come from? And so that's when you go into whatever folder that you might have it on your Google Drive. In a previous version of a video, we will be putting our pictures into a folder that you're going to make that says drawing and painting, right? So you'll probably search for your drawing and painting folder and then find your picture to put in. Once the picture is put in, you can then grab these handles, these blue handles, and adjust the size of the picture. It might be quite huge, and that's totally fine. So adjust so that we can see as much of the picture as possible from your artwork. So that's how you bring pictures in for any of these options. All right, let's hop over to the artwork page. The artwork page is going to work very similar. You're going to have your artwork, and then you're going to give it a title. And that means you're going to click here or click here. Here we go. And you're going to put in the title that you gave the artwork, when we hung it out in the hallway, right? What media did you use? So were we working with charcoal or oil pastels or whatever? Okay, well, underneath here, it tells us that this artwork is going to be the paper bag charcoal. So we're going to type in charcoal for the media that you used here. Okay. Again, bring in your picture from the Google Drive, resize it however you need to, right? And then below it, I have some questions, some reflections. Now, one or two of these might come from the handouts that you've already filled out in the classroom. This is why I had you keep those. So you can go back and see if any of these questions, there's at least one, if not two, for all of them, that are coming directly from those handouts. So you can either read your handout reflection, maybe your reflection has changed since then. You fill it in how you wish, but you do have something to go back to when you're ready for it, okay? And then we'll move into the food drawings. And so all of our projects are going to be in here, okay? So the big 100-point projects are going to be under the artwork. So this is an overview of how we're going to start to fill stuff in for your personal actual website.